Hi everybody, Happy New Year. Welcome back to the Mountain Home Mead Works Cocktail Minute. So it's dry January. Maybe you have decided you don't want to drink anymore. Maybe you didn't drink in the first place. Maybe you're just taking a break. Maybe you want to dial back a little bit. All of that's great. We got you covered. Regardless, you decided alcohol maybe shouldn't be playing such a big part in your life. Not a problem. You still want something flavorful. We got you covered. So I'm going to go through 4 cocktails using all 4 of our syrups. They're simple, they're easy, and you'll be surprised how quickly you can knock these out. They look great, they feel like a cocktail, they taste like a cocktail, they have no alcohol in them. So here we go. We've got our DOF here, which we all recognize, right? The fun thing is, no fancy ice this time, we're just using basic crushed ice. First one, we're going to use our spiced orange to make a variation on an old-fashioned. So, spiced orange, 1.5 ounces. And because citrus makes everything pop, we're going to add a 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Boom. And two dashes of Angostura bitters. Now, if you're at a point where you really don't want any sort of alcohol in your drink, Angostura bitters it's an alcohol-infused flavoring, so just leave it out. No big deal. Won't affect the flavor a whole lot. You'll still get the same effect, just truly without alcohol. So we're going to do something here you never ever do with bourbon. Remember what that is? That's right. Never ever shake it. But here, we're looking for a little bit of dilution. And also, look at that, right? And also the syrups tend to be a little bit harder to mix than, say, a standard sugar-based simple syrup. They're thicker, they have more body to them, that's what gives them their great flavor. But you also have to take that into account. So, next item, ginger beer. All ginger, no beer, talk amongst yourselves. So there we go. Give it one more quick toss back and forth. Now this is what you'd call a dirty pour in the bartending world. And that's just to get that full mix. Look at the beautiful color. Looks just like an old-fashioned. Color's so natural, only your bartender will know the difference. Twist of orange peel. Boom. All right, guys, easy peasy, right? On to number 2. We are making the Highway 93, which is used with Heidi's song, Lavender Hop Syrup. Now it's called the Highway 93 because Purple Mountain Lavender Farm in Lakeside literally sits on top of a mountain that looks down on Highway 93. So again, 1.5 ounces. We're doing 1/2 ounce of lemon juice this time because if you know a better flavor combination for lavender than lemon juice, I would love to hear it. Once again, give her a little shaky shake. Ice, baby. Too cold. Yeah, it's the new year. Give me a break. Shake, 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 shake. Now this one calls for club soda. I've got this handy high-speed home countertop carbonated water maker. If you don't have one of those, that's fine. Just use your favorite club soda. If you do use one of these, please make sure you follow the manufacturer's instructions and only carbonate the water, then add flavorings. On the other hand, if you want to really have fun, add them all in, then carbonate it. Just make sure you're taking a video and tag me in it, all right? All right, so there's our dirty pour. Boom. Crystal pink, clean and delicious. And what makes a cocktail finished? The garnish. So this guy is going to get a nice twist of lemon to get all those essential oils extracted from the lemon peel. And because it's the new year, we're going to be a little bougie about it. We're going to make a little skewer like that. Maybe we are, maybe we're not. Nope, it's not going to work. Hey, you know what? That's okay. Life doesn't always go the way we plan, but we can make it go the way we want to sometimes. All right, that's number 2. Easy, right? On to the next one. This one is going to use Sentinel cocktail syrup, making use of Lake Missoula Tea Company's awesome complex herbal tea blend, Evening in Missoula. There we go. Again, syrup makes, citrus makes everything pop. Yeah, I fumbled that one a little bit, didn't I? That's fine. So, 1.5 ounces of Sentinel, 1/2 ounce of lime juice. 1, 2, 3. You sense the pattern here? Now you don't have to use a shaker. You can certainly stir and just make it right in the cup. But you know, we're being fancy, right? New year. Let's have some fun with it. Learning all these new skills. Let's sharpen them a little bit, right? A little toss to mix. There we go. And garnish again. This time we're going to use a lime twist. I don't know what it is about the lime flavor that just brings out all those subtle complexities in the Sentinel syrup, but I love it. I will continue to love it until the day I die. Boom, there we go. Last one. If you like a gin and tonic, this is going to be your bag. Odin's Eye hop syrup, so it's got the sweet, but it's also got the bitter aspects that you get from a gin and tonic, right? So, there we go. 1.5 ounces of the good stuff there. 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Whip. Into the mix. Oh, by the way, I topped up that Evening in Missoula. That's the Higgins Street. Recipes on the side of the bottle with the ginger beer again. 2, 3. All right. Then we're going to do tonic water because it's a gin and tonic, right? Except not. So we're just going to add a little bit of tonic water in that because it looked like it was a little bit thick. Not a problem. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Great mix, great body. And there we go. So, 4 simple cocktails. How long did that take, guys? Like 2 minutes each. You can make these in a pitcher if you want to do that. Each one of these bottles is 375 milliliters. So you're looking for like a 3-to-1 or 4-to-1 ratio of syrup to juice. Do the math on that. That comes out to be about 125 plus or minus milliliters of citrus juice. You know, whether it's lime or lemon. You can get it from the grocery store. You can fresh squeeze it. Do what feels right to you. Mix it all together in a pitcher. If it were me, I would hold off on the ice so it doesn't melt in the fridge and dilute everything out too much. But then just fill up your cup with ice, pour the premix right over the top of it, give it a little swizzle, add your bubbles, and you're good to go. You've got an instant cocktail that you don't have to think about it, and you can have at your parties. You can give it to people who aren't drinking. You can have it yourself if you're not drinking. and everybody gets a fancy cocktail that way. All right. Next episode is going to be warm non-alcoholic drinks. Winter is here, guys. The snowstorm's coming, so we're going to find you a way to warm up. Thanks. Have a great week. Stay safe on the roads, and we'll see you next time.